Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. This is part 2 of the order that I got from Craftsyart.com, and I will be showing you an unboxing of the remainder of my haul that I got from them today. So without further ado, let's get started. So these are all special drills. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Okay, so they've all been coming in these padded bags, with the exception of one. Okay, what have we got? Okay, so they come with your standard toolkit. A couple of Ziploc bags in there, drills, and we have a mandala here. It's a 30 by 30, so your drill field will be about 25 by 25. This one actually has 19 colors in it, which is a lot for a special drill for this size. That's quite surprising, actually. Okay. So I'll just bring it up so you can have a look at that drill field. So it's looking pretty good. Not too bad at all. Wow, that's going to be awesome to do. It's a little bit different. I like it. There's your symbol legend there. It's a fair few there. That's going to turn out awesome. Wow, I'm loving that. So check out the stick. She's very sticky. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, the drills. Let's have a look at the drills. There we go. All right. Okay, so we have your basic crystal rhinestones. Some beautiful rainbow colors there. Oh, I'm loving the blue. It's pretty. Blues and greens. Pretty pinks. Nice and sparkly. Okay, we've got some a champagne teardrop. That's really pretty. I'm loving that color. It's so pretty. These are different. Gee, aren't they nice? Pretty blue AB. Some smaller white AB teardrops. Pink teardrops. Sparkly purple. Oh wow, I'm loving the colors in this. Geez, they're really nice. That's pretty. I haven't seen those before. It's like a goldy sort of AB color. Got some reds. Pretty purplies. And some pretty greens. Wow. I reckon that is going to show up so nice. That is pretty full on. Oh my God, that is just going to look awesome. I cannot wait. That's going to look so good. Beautiful. Okay, next one. Pop in there. Okay, another padded bag. So I have to apologize for the lighting. We've been getting some pretty stormy weather, and it looks like there's another storm coming in, so I apologize for the lack of light, but hopefully it should light up pretty soon. Get that sunshine out. Another special drill. Standard kit. Got your drills. Okay. This is a little bit different to what I normally get, but I just thought it was so cute, and I thought, oh, I've just got to have that. That's adorable. So this is a 30 by 30. Your drill field will be about 25 by 25, which is the usual. Isn't that just it? It's just adorable. I love it. It's so cute. So bring that up so you can have a look and see what the drill field's like. Oops. Yep. Nice and clear. Just gorgeous. Love it. There is your symbol field. That's a fair few colors for such a small diamond painting. Isn't that just the cutest? Oh my god, that's so cute. Love it. So the stickiness, sticky test. Yep. Very good. Gosh, that is so cute. 11 colors. That's pretty good. Oh, that is just the cutest. Okay, so I'll show you the drills. What's that? So this one's by himself. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, right. I don't know if you can see that. That is just gorgeous. That is beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful drill. So where would that go? That's, that'd be his beak. Wow, gosh, that's so pretty. Okay. Right, so we've got your crystal AB drills. Got some pretty blues and greens in there. Nice and sparkly. Some purples, green. Got some purple ABs there. Gee, there's a lot in there. Oh man, I got more stars. Oh, I'm just loving these stars. Gold stars and silver stars. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. That's my little owl. Oh my gosh, he's just the cutest. That is so adorable. Adorableness. Cuteness overload. Loving it. I'll keep all them together. Alright, last but not least. I thought I'd go for something different. I usually just do your normal diamond paintings, and I thought this time I'm going to get a little light LED light, night light thingy. And seeing as Christmas is coming up, I wanted to get started on doing some Christmassy stuff. So it comes in this really nice box. It's quite sturdy. As you can tell, it's not squished or anything like that. Let's have a look. No, not in there. Okay. So you've got your standard drill toolkit. It's got a few Ziploc bags in there. You've got your drills. And you've got your Santa. Isn't that just beautiful? Something different. That is so cute. He sort of stands up like that. It's got his little legs there. Stands up. There is a battery thing at the back, which takes, if I can get in there. So it takes 2 AA batteries. You can stand him up, you can hang him up, and your off-on switch is just there. So inside, when you open this up, inside there will be the little LED lights that you will pop through from the back around there. So when you're done putting all that together, you put in the little lights and then you pop in your batteries and you switch her on and off you go. So this particular one, I will be doing a whip and chat video a little bit later on. And you can see it coming up as we go along. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that one. So let's have a look at these drills. And it looks like my lighting's getting even darker. I'm sorry about that. I thought all our bad weather had gone. Let's see. Here we go. Right. Okay. So I've got a couple of little stars. Yep. A couple of little stars. A couple of marquees. Right, so you got some silvers, you've got some greens, you've got some reds, beautiful Christmas colors, blues, some yellowy oranges. I'm loving the light blues, they're my favorites. And you got these gold, shiny gold rounds. So that's going to come up beautifully. I can't wait to do that one. It's something a little bit different and getting ready for Christmas. So exciting. So there you go. That was the final dot painting, if you like, that I got from Craftsyart.com. They got this order out really quick. I was expecting a couple of weeks. It only took 10 days to Australia. I think that's pretty good, actually. Very happy with that. They're very quick, good communication, and so far I'm really happy with their products. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you reviews and works in progress with all of these ones, but this one I will do a whip and chat and we can work through it together. So thank you so much for watching Crystal Crafts with Dee, and I will be seeing you again soon. Thank you. Bye.